Is it sick?
Okay.
Is it I hate it. I'm so gassed for this. Oh my god. Oh, you've killed it. You've absolutely smashed it. My guy. So yes guys, now as you can see from the background, you've probably guessed by the title and thumbnail as well, it's finally that time that we picked the MX5 up from having the body kit done. We're down here in Runcorn at Firefly Speed Shop. I've just messaged the guy to tell him we're here. Big thank you to Adam as well for nipping me down, being able to pick up my old bumpers in the car. But yeah, we've had ducktail, we've had front bumper, rear bumper, we've had roof spoiler, we've had the whole lot. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the guys to come out now. We're picking the MX5 up, finally going to get my reaction. Oh, I'm absolutely gassed. This is literally my dream body kit. As you can see, some absolutely gorgeous drift cars here. That, insane. This has been around Three Sisters a few times. I've seen this. We've got a Mark 1 JDM MX5. But yeah, once again, we're down at Firefly Speed Shop. I'll put all their links in the description. They have hooked me up with this body kit for a really good price. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for the guys to come out and collect the MX5. Finally, she's back. All right, Adam and Erin are going to go in and have a look at it. I'm gonna wait for a big reveal and get it all on camera. Oh, everyone's left me outside. I'm so gassed for this. Look at some of these cars, man. This is a Skyline. That is sick. Well, yeah, this is an R34. Well, was one day. There's my OEM bumpers over there, ready to be put in the van. But oh, I'm so on edge. I cannot wait. Now, obviously, this kit might not be to some people's taste. It might not be to everyone's taste, but I absolutely love it. It's my dream kit for this car, and I cannot wait. There was only one body kit I wanted, and it was this one. So they're just putting that out there. If it ain't for you, then I do apologise, but it is for me. So yeah, I'm going to wait for these to come out. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I cannot wait.
Wasted your money.
What?
Wasted your money. Shit.
What's it like?
Brilliant.
Is it sick?
Okay.
Is it I hate it. I hate this. Is it sick?
I love it.
Is it sick?
It's sick.
Is it really? Stop. Right, so the plan of action is, I didn't want to see, I want to see the car all as one. They were talking about bringing the shutter up, but I don't want to see the front bumper, then see the back, and then see bits and bits. I just want to see the whole car at one time. So they're going to bring the car out, I'm going to close my eyes, not going to look, and then obviously turn around and we're going to have a look at the car. But you guys will see it as cinematics, and then you'll see my reaction, if that makes sense. So yeah, I can't turn around. I'm not allowed to turn around. Oh, can I turn around now?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh, it's perfect, isn't it? Oh man, it's a different car. Mate, that looks so fucking sick. Holy shit. Oh, you've killed it. You've absolutely smashed it.
Shall we talk through it?
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
So hard flare, this is all our own design. Do-stuck spoiler. We've colour coded it. I know you're getting it wrapped long term.
But for now,
we've colour coded it. And basically, fitted it on. I'll before you go, I'll go through where it's fitted so you can remove it.
Yeah.
If you need to remove it.
Okay.
Everything clears so you can get in and out. The clearance I think is about right, mate.
That's kind of perfect, isn't it?
I think it's really nice.
Oh my god, man. That is so sick. It literally doesn't even look like an MX5, does it? Holy shit. Oh, that is so drift spec. I'm glad I went for that ducktail now. It'd have looked a little bit lost without it, wouldn't it? Oh my, I need a big exhaust now. I like the way the tyres stick out. Oh mate, that's so sick. I'll rate that. I'll rate that.
It's wild.
Oh
you can sticker it up or you can run it as it is.
Yeah.
It's quite a versatile thing.
And you've got the Firefly sunstrip on there as well. Look at that. Okay, so obviously I've mentioned this kit is from Firefly, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the guys here to go over what they do here, do themselves a little bit of an intro as to what they do, what they have to offer at the unit, and obviously if you guys are interested, all links will be in the description. They've also filmed a video on the whole installation of this, all the painting, prepping and everything, so if you guys could go check that out, that'll also be in the description below. It'd mean a lot. But yeah, I'm going to hand you over to the guys here and they will go through what they do.
Alright guys, first things first, we've done a video on this. We've done a build, sort of behind the scenes build video showing the strip down, the bumper prep. This is obviously our kit, showing the fitment, trial fitting. So if you're interested in a kit, you can check out the video of the build on Jesse's car, which he's not even seen yet, but he's obviously going to send put a link up. And then basically everything on this car now, other than what Jesse's done with the wheels and the suspension and the arms and stuff, is available from us on the website. These are now available on the website as well.
Some strips.
We've included. So what we've done on this car is the full Mark 2.5 Deuce kit with the projector front end, which is, I think, the nicest front end on the NB. Obviously pop-up light.
Yeah, they are nice.
The side skirts, what we've done, we put rib nuts in and Allen heads, so these are actually removable. So although the door opens and closes and everything looks really clean, if you do need to get the car up, get the jack under there, you can take these two out, the two at the back out, screw in the middle, and they pop off and they pop on. You can do that in like 20 seconds. Thankfully, he's gone for the hard flare.
I'm very glad I went for that.
Which I think is, I personally just think it's wicked. We sell loads of those to the US, but for some reason in the UK they don't really know that some of this exists, so that's why we're pushing the YouTube stuff hard. And then around the back, it's basically just a clean MX5 with 2.5 back, 2.5 rear lights. Obviously the rear bumper's the same on the Mark II and the Mark 2.5, and then the Deuce stock, which we designed to work in accompaniment with the rest of the kit, so it's pretty wild.
I'd definitely recommend, if any of you guys are going to go for this kit, that little extra touch, aren't they?
Yeah, it's cool.
I'm very happy I did go for that. That and that were a very like last minute thing, weren't they? And I'm very happy that I went for them. But
yeah, you can put a nice branded sticker across the middle.
I'm going to put F you in Japanese there. I think.
yeah.
That'll work.
Other than that, yeah, it's just it is what it is. You know, it looks quite OEM. Plus, as you said, it's the hovercraft drift skirt. He's got an exhaust to go on there.
Yeah, I need a fat tip on there now.
But
yeah, like I was saying, it's like all right, it's not OEM, but the way it fits is very OEM, if that makes sense. I've said that right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean. It fits perfect. Everything lines up. Doesn't look bodged. Doesn't look out of place, and it's just perfect.
Yeah, it's nice.
So thank you very much.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
For a low price kit, we do aero at various price ranges. You can get aero at various price ranges, but for the MX5, we aimed at the budget market, and it's for a kit that's around about the £500 mark. A little bit more for the Mark II, a little bit less for the Mark 1.
Yeah.
It's just, you know, we're probably the best-selling aero supplier for MX5s in the UK.
And you were saying this with everything on it is about one of 4 in the UK at the minute?
Yeah, so you've gone for a combination that not everyone goes for.
Okay.
So there's only 4, possibly 5 in the UK of running this exact setup.
Oh,
and
sweet.
There's not a single one in silver, actually, I don't think so.
Oh, really? So
yeah,
this is the only one in the UK in silver?
Yeah, I think so. I don't quote me on that.
We'll allow it for now. We'll go with that.
Yeah. We actually think it looks cool in silver.
I know the car's getting wrapped.
So we started putting it all together. Oh yeah, and the paint thing's just a temporary thing until you get it wrapped. So you're thinking like wild wrap,
I think maybe livery down the side. I'm not sure. I've can't now it's got this. I almost don't want to drift it.
No,
I almost don't want to track it anymore because it's clean and it's. Oh man, I'm so happy with it. So happy. These guys have done absolute amazing job. This kit, obviously, you can install it at home on your own, can't you?
Yeah, most people do. Yeah.
I've chose the option to get these guys to install it because I know what I'm like. I end up losing my rag with things if they're not simple.
Yeah.
But there it is. There it is. Very, very happy. Christian, Charlie, thank you very much.
No worries.
Very nice to meet you, and you've done a very good job. I'll see you all soon. Absolutely buzzing. So yeah, just to quickly mention as well, if you guys do want this kit, there's only one place, and that's Firefly. They're the only people that do this kit, and as you've heard him say, this is like one in silver with this kit. I'm absolutely gassed. Obviously we've got to drive it home now, about a 2-hour drive to get home, and yeah, I'm just a very, very happy bunny. Right, let's go. I tell you what, this car really does blow my Civic out the water for how sick it is, man. Like, I love this car. Words cannot describe how sick this thing is, man. Look at it. I've had about 4 or 5 thumbs up on the motorway, people just going, yes lad. Honestly, I fucking love it. It's so sick. I've just looked at the rolling shots, you guys have already seen them. So happy with this, man. So happy. All right, so we made it home, and I'm going to show my father, see what he thinks.
That's too low.
I need to get the coilovers up a bit more. Be honest though, because you weren't a fan of it on pictures, but in person, you got to be honest.
Oh yeah, different.
Yeah, exactly. It's different.
It's sold there. Get some profit.
That's the only one in the UK in that colour with that kit. And it's one of 4 with that kit, but it is the only silver MX5 with that kit in the country. Alright, so I'm going to end this one here. Absolutely, I'm so happy with the kit. I'm going to adjust my coilovers up. I have got 195 55 15 tyres on the back and 195 50s on the front, so the car is sitting a little bit nose deep, but it is really low to the point where you're like almost nervous driving it. So I'm going to probably get the coilovers heightened a little bit just so I don't have that, just for peace of mind really. But big massive thank you to Firefly for doing the kit. It looks absolutely amazing. One of one in the UK. Absolutely buzzing. I couldn't be more happy with it. I really couldn't. So yeah, if you guys do like the kit, and if you did enjoy this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.